Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I'm gonna do a video of all my artwork as much as I can, because it's kind of hard to get it all in on one video, but I'm gonna try. I love you all out there. I hope you enjoy. Uh, uh, Here's my little guppy tank, because I'm gonna start in my bedroom, and they're all doing really good and swimming around happily with my zebra longtail, and my two peacocks are in there hiding, and my blue patty are doing really good. Here's one of my peacock cichlets. My gold damsel, gold barbs, uh, are still here. Uh, Everybody's doing real good. And, here's one of my little pictures that I did in crayon and colored. And it looks real good. I did it in crayon, yeah. A little collection of my bears. Uh, Here's my Pegasus I painted not too long ago. I painted this little teddy bear, Belle. Uh, and this is my wolf picture. I did it in colored pencil. Uh, I don't know how long ago. And this lady picture I drew, and I did it with maybe crayon or colored pencil. And the mask. And I colored my bunny up here picture. I did that in colored pencil, and this fish I painted with watercolor. The goldfish. The painted lady. And I painted this fairy and my bird, and it's paper mache, along with my teddy bear collection up here. And out here I have my puppy Sweetie Pie. She says hello. And over here I did some paintings on little Sweetie Pie and Honey over here with a acrylic painting and clear coat. And I think they came out pretty good with my spider plant. And I don't know how long I painted these little characters. My raccoon, my little bunny, and deer. Oh, Sweetie Pie. And I have some of my artwork here. Oh yeah, my little sea turtle with all my plants. I say I do a plant video if you want to check those out on another video. So that's my little turtle I did. Here's my precious kitty I painted with acrylic painting. And over here I have a ladybug with acrylic, and me and my mom I did a long time ago. I painted. And over here a dove with acrylic and glitter. And I really love this one. It looks very pretty. My Christmas tree. And my 40-gallon tank, which you can see in other videos too also if you want. And then here in my mom's room, I have a beautiful peacock I painted too for her. And it looks really, really beautiful. And this wreath I did on peacocks. She really loves peacock. The peacock picture, which is one of the best ones I did, I think. Owl table. I did this painting of a dove of wood burning in paint, and a bird and butterfly a couple years back. Some of my plants you can check out also. And my beautiful hummingbird picture. Well, that's all my artwork. I hope you all enjoy. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. Love you out there. Hope you enjoy.